Makers like Alfa Romeo and Toyota are jogging out Nürburgring-themed uncommon releases like NRING and GRMN. However, for Jaguar, it's about the NWOBHM. That is new wave of British heavy metal, for the individuals who don't begin their day with somewhere in the range of 80s hair metal swung up to 11. Panther is praising the admired XJ vehicle's 50th commemoration this year, and as a component of that, the Jaguar Classic Works division in Coventry, England, has manufactured Iron Maiden drummer Nicko McBrain's Ideal Series 3 XJ. The custom auto, nicknamed Most Prominent Hits, is the result of more than 3,500 work hours and 4,000 revamped parts. The Series 3 is, for a few, a definitive improvement of the principal XJ body style, and McBrain's auto is his third Series 3. It's in many regards a restomod, as the front and back guards, headlights, wheels, infotainment and different subtle elements have been modernized. The inside highlights shake-propelled custom touches like the guitar speaker-style turning handles on the dashboard. The speakers of the 1100-watt sound framework are from the 2012 model year Jaguar XF, as those are what McBrain inclines toward. The guiding wheel logo is a blend of the Iron Maiden mascot, Eddie, and the Jaguar Growler logo. The Jaguar Leaper mascot on the hood is from McBrain's first Jaguar XJ6. The paint is an exceptional profound purple, and the inside has been RETR'd with pimento red calf skin. In any case, it's not only the presence of the best hits XJ that has been robbed, as the 4.2-liter straight 6 of the 1984 XJ6 has been redesigned with 3 E-Type SA carburetors. It likewise has a custom fumes with quad tail pipes. There have been 9 XJ arrangement up until now, and the 10th adaptation is relied upon to arrive at some point 1 year from now. There are relentless bits of gossip that it may shun inward ignition totally, confronting a re-evaluation as an electric vehicle.